Today we'll walk through the process of measuring gaps and restoring compliance on a fire-rated metal door using the active gap gauge, sample set, and active gap fillers in 5 easy steps. First, inspect the perimeter of the pull side of the fire door using the gap gauge. If the gauge inserts at the 3/16 mark, the fire door is out of compliance. Second, insert a sample set size into the gap and move up in thickness until the gauge no longer inserts with it. The correct sample size prevents the gap gauge from fitting. Repeat the process at the door undercut. The compliance limit here is 3/4 of an inch. In cases where gaps are present on the latch side, a strike extension eliminates the gap by matching the thickness of the gap fillers used on the latch side. Step 3. Measure frame before installation to determine if trimming is needed. Measure from the base of the strike plate to the bottom of the frame. Transfer the measurement. Mark the gap filler and cut to length. Repeat the process for the top section. Measure from the top of the frame to the top of the strike plate. Transfer the measurement. Mark the gap filler and cut to length. Fourth, pre-drill mounting holes for each gap filler using a 1/8 inch drill bit. Install perimeter gap fillers on the frame rabbet using the provided fasteners. Active gap fillers can be modified in the field, allowing installers to adjust them to each door opening while maintaining compliance. Bottom gap fillers install flush to the door undercut, with fasteners that secure fully through the channel. Fifth, now recheck the opening using the active gap gauge. If the gauge no longer inserts, compliance is restored. Active gap fillers provide a simple, trusted, field-ready solution without full door replacement. Intertek Tested, NFPA 80 and UL 10C compliant. Rated up to 90 minutes.